Jai Hind, dear students. Welcome to Module 4 of Chapter Food and Health. So, here we'll discuss first about the diseases. A disease is defined as a condition due to which the body is unable to function properly. A person with a disease feels unwell and weak and is unable to work properly. So, there are different types of diseases. Some are caused by very tiny living things called germs. Some others are caused by a deficient diet. So, basically, there are two types of diseases. First is communicable diseases, that is, infectious diseases, and another one is non communicable diseases. So, first, we'll learn about non communicable diseases or non infectious diseases. So here in the chart you can see that the first disease which is there, like night blindness, it is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A in our diet. And what are the symptoms? Inability to see clearly in dim light. And the sources of vitamins and minerals are green leafy vegetables, carrot and milk. Then comes the second disease, beriberi, that is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B. Problem in digestion are the symptoms. Source of vitamins and minerals are milk, eggs and cereals. Then comes scurvy. It is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C. Symptoms are bleeding and swollen gums, and the sources are amla, oranges, lemon and all the citrus fruits. Rickets is caused due to deficiency of vitamin D. The symptoms are softening of bones and bending of bones. Milk and milk products are the richest source of vitamin and minerals. Anemia is caused due to deficiency of iron in our diet. And the symptoms are weakness, lethargy, dark circle around eyes and loss of appetite. Sources of vitamins and minerals are green leafy vegetables and meat. Then comes the another disease, that is goiter, that is caused due to deficiency of iodine in our diet, and the symptoms are swollen gland in the neck, improper growth, and source are seafood and salt. Then weak bones and teeth are caused due to deficiency of calcium and phosphorus in our diet. Symptoms are unhealthy and weak bones. Milk and green leafy vegetables makes our teeth and bones strong. Now another type of disease is infectious diseases or communicable diseases. Infectious diseases are the diseases that spread from one person to another person. So here in the chart there are list of few diseases which are infectious diseases. The first disease is malaria. The symptoms of malaria are headache, nausea, high fever, and muscular pain. And mode of transmission, like how it is caused due to bite of mosquito. Preventive measures are use of insect repellents, clean surroundings. Means there should be no collection of water near your house so that they attract mosquitoes. Influenza. Symptoms are headache, nose discharge, high fever, muscular pain, cough and sneezing. The mode of transmission through air. Preventive measures is staying away from infected persons and good sanitization. Cholera. The symptoms are watery stool, vomiting and sunken eyes. And the mode of transmission, flies, contaminated food and water. And flies. Preventive measures, practicing personal hygiene, good sanitation, drinking boiled water. Then typhoid. The symptoms of typhoid are fever and headache. Flies, contaminated food and water are the main mode of transmission of this disease. Preventive measures are practicing personal hygiene, good sanitation, drinking boiled water. So, children, here are the few communicable diseases or infectious diseases which are caused due to through few agents. Now, we'll discuss about immunization. People, especially children, are given vaccinations to prevent them from getting serious diseases. Vaccines are made of small quantity of dead or very weak germs of a particular disease or substances produced by these germs. They are swallowed or injected into the body. When they enter the body produces substances that can fight the germs. Thus, the body becomes capable of fighting any future attack from germs of that disease. This is called immunity against a particular disease. There are several diseases which are being immunized like typhoid, tetanus, polio, measles and mumps.